Welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn, to live your life on your own terms. You're welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn Academy. And today we are going to talk about a very interesting launch of Saregama Carvaan Mini 2.0. It's a Bluetooth speaker. You couldn't have asked for more. Saregama Carvaan has already launched two devices. One was the basic Saregama Carvaan music player, and the next one was the ultimate, the supreme version of the same. Now, this is the mini version launched by Saregama Carvaan, and it looks so exciting with beautiful colors. So, I'm sure things will certainly be better for all the people who want to listen to music on the go, and that too in the most portable and affordable manner. So, in this video, we are going to learn about Saregama Carvaan 2.0. So if you like this video, you can press the like button. You can also subscribe to my channel and share this video on social media. Please help us to spread education in this beautiful world. So let us start the video and see what it is all about. Now, Saregama Carvaan Mini 2.0 portable Bluetooth speaker launched at rupees 2490. This is unbelievable. Now, this is something which everyone of us can afford. At least I can afford that, what I can say. And it is so good looking. So I'm certainly going to buy this for sure. Now, Saregama Carvaan Mini 2.0, a smaller version of Carvaan, which I have already spoken to you about. In fact, I have made a video on Saregama Carvaan earlier as well. You can refer that to video that as well. And I will also post a link of that video below in the description. Now, Saregama Carvaan Mini 2.0 is a sleek and a portable Bluetooth speaker that allows you to stream music from your phone or music streaming apps. You can also plug in your pendrive and listen to a collection of 351 most common popular retro Hindi songs. Now, this is great. You can not only listen to music using your Bluetooth devices, your mobile phone, but also you can plug in a pen drive and listen to almost through 351 most popular retro Hindi songs, which are sung by Rafi, Kishore, Kumar, Lata, Mangeshkar, Asha Bhosle, and Mukesh. Now, Saregama Carvaan Mini 2.0 can be bought for rupees 2490 rupees. It is offering Saregama Carvaan Mini 2.0 in three colors: blue, green, and red. My favorite is red. You can buy it from saregama.com, Amazon, and retail stores like Chroma and Reliance Digital. We will also provide you a link below where you can click and purchase this great device. I'm sure this is going to be a great discovery and a really interesting instrument which is being launched by Saregama. Now, Saregama Carvaan Mini 2.0 is smaller in size compared to the original Carvaan, which I was wondering when I saw it for the first time, that can a mini version of this come in the market? And yes, it has come. It is like a dream come true. It ditches the classic portable radio look of the original. Now, the original Saregama Premium or the original version, it looks like a radio which gives you a retro feel, but this is quite handy, affordable, as well as very stylish and trendy. The side sees button for Saregama mode, USB, and Bluetooth. Now, these are the options which you can see at the side of the device. This is the front view, which looks absolutely stunning and amazing. This is the side view, and at the back, you can see you have this USB port. You can also press and reset it. You have aux cable, and you also have an adapter plug-in point. It has also an LED light. This is going to be very interesting, and I am certainly going to buy this for myself. The three different options: Bluetooth 4.1, USB 2.0, and aux in. The speaker comes with a rechargeable battery that can last about 4 to 5 hours on a single charge. Now, this is great. Now, I have heard about and I've also Seen Alexa, the only drawback which I think Alexa has is the cord, the power cord, which I don't want to use and invest my money if I want to, or if I have to plug in that in a plug. I want a portable device which I can carry anywhere without for need or the requirement for me to plug it in a power plug. So this is very good. The speaker comes with a rechargeable battery, as I've already spoken about it. Now, Saregama Carvaan Mini 2.0 is for those music lovers who want to listen to music anywhere, anytime. Whether you're going to gym, whether you're traveling, whether you're on a picnic, you can carry this and you can enjoy music anytime, anywhere. All with 350 greatest songs, increased number of songs for 251 to 351 in the new launch. Now, I'm sure this video is going to certainly motivate you to buy this great looking, amazing device. And I'm going to be one of the first customers to purchase it. I'm sure it has already been in the market. And I will also share the link for you to buy below from Amazon. You can click, you can buy, and you can let me know through your comments how exactly are you feeling about it. Even I will share my experience in the next video, maybe after a week or two. So thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, you can press the like button, share it on social media, and also subscribe to my channel. Please help us to spread education in this beautiful world. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon.